Now we got stuck in a heavy traffic jam at Aizawl city in the state of Mizoram in northeastern part of India. Nobody is honking, everybody is waiting for his turn. This is the silent city in the northeastern part of India. Now we are at the peak hour. Traffic is very heavy. Even in such a heavy traffic jam, you will not hear a single honking. This is the behavior of drivers and riders of two-wheelers at Aizawl city in the state of Mizoram. So we are now at the heart of the city that is called Zodin Square. This is State Bank of India, Aizawl main branch. And now here in our right side, there is AR ground, the most popular playground at Aizawl city, where every big event is organized.